Alright, in this part, I'll show you how to program your RCA universal remote to your Sharp TV using the autocode search method. This is the easiest and most reliable way to do it. First, press and hold the TV button on your remote. While still holding the TV button, press and hold the power button until the indicator light turns on. Once it lights up, release both buttons. Now, point the remote directly at your TV and press the play button once. The remote will automatically start testing 10 codes at a time. If your TV doesn't respond, just press play again to test the next set of 10 codes. Keep pressing play until your TV turns on or off. That means it's found the right group of codes. Once your TV reacts, press the rewind button repeatedly. Each time you press rewind, the remote will test one code from that last group of 10. Keep pressing until your TV turns on or off again. That means it's found the exact code. Finally, press the stop button to save that code. And that's it. Your RCA remote is now programmed to your Sharp TV. You can test it out by pressing power, volume, or channel up and down to make sure everything's working. And here's a nice bonus. Even if you take out the batteries, the remote remembers the code, so you won't have to repeat this setup later.